ninth edition of Concrete Fair. It's a virtual event where everyone can take part at the safety of their homes. Also, it's happening at an international level this time. So don't miss the opportunity, be a part of it, gain knowledge and have fun.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಬಾರಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ RVCE ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂದಿನ ಮೆಗಾ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಫೇರನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು 15 ಮತ್ತು 16ರಂದು. ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಜನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We all are glad to have you people in the competition. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
The 9th edition of Concrete Fair is going to be held on 15th and 16th of October. With 6 exciting events and all events being virtual this time, I encourage all students to take part and win exciting prizes. All the best.
We at the Department of Civil Engineering, RVCE Bangalore, are excited to host the 9th edition of Concrete Fair 2020 on the 15th and 16th of October. A completely virtual event is filled with 6 exciting competitions. I urge all of you to actively participate and we look forward to hosting you this year.
Following 8 successful editions of the Tech Fest, in this age of the pandemic, we present to you the 9th edition of Concrete Fair, which has been designed to be entirely virtual. Brought to you by AAC Student Chapter RVCE in association with ICI, this year's Concrete Fair has been equipped with 6 mega events distributed across 2 days, that is on the 15th and 16th of October. I invite you all to participate and win exciting prizes.
So as you all know, this year Concrete Fair is being held on 15th and 16th of October. It is going to be special this time because it's a virtual edition, and so the excitement is even more than usual. We hope you all participate because it's going to be a different experience for you guys as well, and we hope you enjoy being a part of this edition of Concrete Fair.
I invite you all to participate in the most splendid civil event that is happening this year, that is the 9th edition of Concrete Fair, to be held on October 15 and 16, organized by Civil Department at the College of Engineering. The event is going to be completely virtual this time with 6 exciting events and huge cash prizes to be won. So do participate in large numbers and win exciting prizes. So that is it, October 15 and 16 we have the 9th edition of Concrete Fair. Thank you.
Invite you all to the 9th edition of Concrete Fair, which is going to be held online this time. We have 6 exciting virtual events, which is going to be held on 15th and 16th October. Mark the dates in your calendar.
The 9th edition of Concrete Fair is happening at RVCE on 15th and 16th of October 2020. For the very first time, it's happening online. With 6 amazing events, do participate in huge numbers and support us to have even more events in the future.